family. Hi guys. Hello. So I welcome you all back again to Kyerewaa's Veggie kitchen. We thank God for a successful year and we are all blessed to see this year once again, 2022. Do you know what? This year we hit our first 1,000 subscribers. This is so huge for me, okay? So I would like to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. And to those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much. God bless you. Our recipes are going to be easy and simple. I have come to the realization that some of the needed ingredients like butter, mayonnaise, ketchup and so on are mostly gone when we need them. So this year we are going to learn of these recipes so that when they are gone or at shortage or when it happens to be weekend or holidays that we can't go to shop to buy them, we can easily prepare it at home. So please do not forget to consider subscribing and enjoy watching the rest of this video. On today's menu, we are going to prepare vegan butter. Yeah, ingredients that we are going to use are mostly at home. So this is my refined coconut oil. Now in a different bowl, put in 200 milliliter of dairy milk. This can be soya milk, oat milk, or whatever plant-based milk that you have at home. I add 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar into my milk. I stir it well and leave it to curdle. Now in your blender, pour in 100 milliliter of olive oil. $50 milliliter avocado oil. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll now add my nutritional yeast. So this was 2 tablespoons. And lastly, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to blend all this together. Now I will add my refined coconut oil. And then blend it again. So now after 5 minutes, you come to the realization that the milk has been curdled. So this is how it should be after 5 minutes. So I'm going to pour this also into my blender and then blend for 1 to 2 minutes on a high speed. Our blending process is done. Get yourself a bowl, pour it inside. Now this is the end result. I'm going to freeze this and I will let you know how long it took. So see you later. Family, our vegan butter is done. Yeah, it took 4 good hours in the freezer. Definitely try this recipe at home. So after doing it, you can of course send me a shout out on my Instagram, and then I'll be glad to see the end results. Okay, it's going to take me like 2 weeks, but if you want it to sustain for a little longer, you can put it in your freezer afterwards. So be inspired and stay connected by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and all for watching. And until next time, eat good, eat healthy. Try it and you will definitely love it.